Yeah, this gutter is 2 times replacement na because that's the time that I don't clean. It damages the gutter. So now I keep it clean. When the time I call the person cleaning this, I paid 800. So I can for 800. This one up there for 800. So I can do over here. But I paid 800. Oh, over there 800. Yeah, 800 pesos. This gutter, this is 2 times a replacement because the time last time for I cannot clean, so it damages and over the ceiling. The ceiling also is damages kasi the water is stuck over there. Yeah, is stuck and then it's overflow. The water is overflowing because the rooftop, this gutter is full of leaves, the dried leaves, so they can maintain for cleaning. So the 800 pesos every time I pay, I'm thinking that I am the one who cleaned it, you know, because it's 800 is I can buy it for, you know, it's too much. 800, that's the normal rate here, 800. That's the normal wage here, Joshua, 800. You call someone to like tubero